Annyeonghaseyo. Hi, this is Chef David. Okay, today we are going to do anchovies. This is a very popular dish in Korea. Okay, we're going to pour in the oil. Now we're going to pour the anchovies. You can already smell the fragrance of the anchovies. When you are frying this, you can actually hear the crackling sound. Means that the anchovies are actually being cooked. You can smell the fragrance. From here you can see that the anchovies are actually stiffening up and slowly browning. Okay, now we're going to put this aside. While we cook the sauce. Okay, first we're going to fry the garlic. Just fry it a little until it's fragrant. Soy sauce, sesame oil, sugar, then your honey or Oligosaccharide, peanut. Lastly, your anchovies. Sesame seed. Okay, now it's beginning to get a little bit sticky. Okay, because the oligosaccharide and the sugar has already melted and it's coating the anchovies. Okay, we're done. This is your Korean stir-fried anchovies. It's very simple to do, it's flavorful, it's nice, it's healthy, calcium. It's very good for strong bones and teeth. So enjoy. Thank you.